Taylor, are you home? Maybe she finally went out. Taylor?
Did you say something?
Yes. I thought you weren't home. Why didn't you answer when I called you?
I had my headphones on.
Did you even go out today?
No, I was on the qualifier for this game.
The whole day? Did you do your homework? When was the last time you cleaned your room? Do you even see how much trash you have here? Why can't you be more like your brother? His room is always clean. You know where is he now? In his debate club, doing something that will get him into college. And look at you. You only get off this computer when you're hungry.
Mom, that's not true. If I pass this qualifier, I'll get a chance
I don't want to hear it. Your room better be clean before you come down for dinner. You have 1 hour.
Mom, but
No talking back.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, sweetie.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, and where is Taylor? Taylor? Is she serious? Taylor,
Mom, 10 more minutes, I'll come down, I promise.
you didn't even move since I told you to clean your room.
I did, look, the room is clean. But I did it in 20 minutes, and I had to come back to this game if I wanted to.
I don't want to hear about your game. You're coming down.
But Mom...
Now, or I'll take away your console. That's it.
What are you doing? It was an online game.
I don't care. Go downstairs, now.
Hey, Tay.
Hey.
So, I heard about the competition. You ready?
Yeah, I've been playing it all week. It's in 2 days. I still need to practice my shooting skills, but I think I have a chance to win it.
Nice.
I don't want to hear any talks about video games. This is family time. So, Jimmy, any news?
Oh, yeah, actually. I got my math exam results, and it's 98 out of 100.
That's great. Good.
Almost. Oh, I also wanted to ask you, there's this one international debate competition. I know we're low on money, but I think I'm pretty good at it, and my debate club wants me to go, so.
Oh, I'm proud of you. And how much would it cost?
School would cover some of the costs, yeah, but would still need to pay around 300.
Okay. I will get some more additional shifts, and we'll be able to afford it.
If it's too much, I don't need to go, really.
No. This will help you to get into Ivy League. I'll find a way. Don't you worry.
What about my competition? If Jimmy gets 300, could I at least get $10 for the entry fee?
Your competition. How dare you to compare it to Jimmy's debate club? It seems he is the only one in this house who cares about the school. And in 2 years' time, he's gonna go to the best college. And you will be glued to this computer screen and just losing the opportunities for your future.
Look, Mom, Tay's actually pretty good at it, and just because it's not a school subject, it doesn't mean she can make a living from it, so...
Don't defend your sister. We came all the way from Europe just to sit and play these stupid video games? What possible future could she have? Just staying here until she gets old? Never leaving the house? Not eating because she always needs 10 more minutes?
Mom, it's not true. Oh, I gotta go.
Did you see that? How come you're such a great kid? But Taylor, you know what? Finish the food and I'll go talk to her.
Mom, I don't think that's a good idea.
That's it, Taylor. I'm taking your PlayStation away.
No, Mom, please. The competition is in 2 days.
You're not getting it back until you start living the real life. Get good grades and get some real friends.
Everything's okay?
We got a debt collection letter. I knew it would be hard here, but never imagined it would be this bad.
How we will get the money?
I don't know, darling. And I'm really sorry, but I don't think we can afford your debates competition.
It's okay, Mom. I'll go some other time, okay? Now, let's try to figure out what to do with this, okay?
Go away, Mom. I'm not hungry.
It's me. Mom's at work.
What do you want? I'm not in the mood to talk.
We, got the debt collection letter.
Yeah, I heard.
I know Mom wouldn't agree with me, but I believe in you. And I think you should participate in the competition.
How did you find it?
I have my ways. Oh, one condition. The money you win will be used to pay the debt.
But I want... Okay, fine.
Good luck. Go get him.
Thanks, Jim.
You are grounded, young girl. No PlayStation, no computer, no phone while you're staying in the house.
Mom, they just
I cannot deal with this anymore.
let your kids follow their dreams. Come on.
Are you trying to moralize me?
Tell her.
Tell what?
I won the competition.
What competition?
The PlayStation one. I tried to tell you about it, but you didn't listen.
Come on, tell her about the prize.
Prize?
I won the second place and I got $5,000 for it.
5,000? Is it possible?
We're not living in the 90s anymore. Gamers can make a lot of money.
Really?
I will pay off our debts and you can pay for Jimmy's competition.
Thank you.
You would really do it for us, even after I didn't believe in you?
Of course, Mom.
Oh, I'm so sorry for everything. I promise I will listen to you more. I know that parents should allow their kids to follow their dreams.
Thanks, Mom. I really appreciate it.
Hey, Taylor, and that's yours.
Thanks.
Well, I hate to say it, but told you so.